All right, it's a beautiful day in Black Forest in a gated community. This is the road I drove up on. Got a little snow, nothing too bad. Got a little more than Monument, which I'm not too surprised about. Nice pretty trees, which you can hear. In the summer, I'm sure you could smell them better than right now. You really can't. Obviously the homes are separated by much more acreage here. That's not snowdrift, that's actually just snow built up on some plants or bushes. But you will get snowdrifts here. Maybe not as bad as Nebraska, I don't know what it's like out there, but you can see the snow on the roof. All right. So this one does have hardwood. Essentially, from what I could tell, is throughout. The dining room, quite similar to House and Divide, except they have the French doors already. Huge kitchen area, lots of cabinets. That's where the other dining room would be, traditionally speaking, in your living room. So there's enough room here in the living room to actually have a couch where it's separated enough from the kitchen so it doesn't feel like you're right on top of the kitchen. Now, it still will be to a degree, but usually in ranch floor plans, your entertainment area is downstairs. So we'll get to that here in just a bit. Got a quick coat closet. And this may not even be on a basement with that crawl space there. So I don't always check, to be clear, because I like to explore homes just as much as the next person. So I'll get an idea of what I'm going to look at, and then I like to kind of be surprised a little bit. Other agents tend to want to get every detail about it prior to, and there's nothing wrong with that. I still enjoy seeing houses though. So, master, the nice walk-in closet. The other one was nicer in my opinion. The shower in this one, albeit not as pretty, I like the bench. But I would have one of those shower heads that rains down from up there. Separate bathroom with a window to view all the outdoors while you do what you do. Man, if this is a all one level rancher, that's pretty cool. It's also really good on the knees over time. All right, so coming through the kitchen, you have a little office area. Pantry. You're not doomsday prepping with that, but you don't need to with all the cabinet space. All right, so mud room and laundry room. Which If I lived here, that's the route I would have came in versus the front door to put all my crap and my wet stuff there. So garage here, unfinished, lots of space, 3-car, just like before. And I would venture to guess you could probably get 3 Yukon XLs in here, or 3 Suburbans. All right. Water heater. So yes, now this tells me absolutely that this should not have a basement. And if there is one, then I'll be damn surprised. There are not too many one-level ranches in Colorado. And that appears to be exactly what we have. The amount of natural light with the trees midday here is really, really, really nice. Now, it might be just because it's reflecting off of the snow a little bit more, but I don't really have to switch on all the lights to come through this one like I did the one in Monument. The house does not feel staged, but it also does not feel lived in very much. So you got another full bath just off the kitchen. And in case the video has you a little disoriented, there is the kitchen area. So it is in fact a one-level ranch. And yes, I am a bit surprised because again, there's not many of them here. And usually they'll throw a basement on these things. So if you guys come out this weekend, in theory, the snow will be gone. Or most of it anyways. Good looking house, great area, not far from town. I used to live out this way. Easy access in and out for the most part until it snows. But yeah, all on one level, everything feels nice and solid all the way through.